Good evening, Plymouth, New Hampshire. I'm student meteorologist Megan Duncan here with your nightly weather. Looking at on campus today, we had some fog that was in this morning that ended up moving to some partly cloudy skies. For our satellite and radar here, we had some showers throughout the morning throughout the entirety of New Hampshire, but again, parted way to allow us to see some sunshine. For our temperatures here in New England, we actually reached above 70 degrees today. We're at 71 in Hartford, 74 in Syracuse, 66 in Albany, 60 in Boston, and looking in New Hampshire, we did not quite reach above that 60-degree mark, but we are at 67 in Joffrey, 64 in Nashua, and a little bit cooler to the north, still in the 50s, 58 in Laconia, and here in Plymouth, we are currently at 59 degrees. Again, partly cloudy skies, so we have seen some sun poke through now and again, with our winds are calm. Looking at today, our average temperature is 47 degrees for today. Today we're actually at 62, so quite a bit warmer than what our average temperature would be. Our record temperature for today is 69 degrees. That was set in 1913. Though we're not quite at 69 degrees today, we are getting pretty close to hitting that record, though I don't expect that we're going to break it. Tonight we have a low of 46, some fog and rain here moving in, so very similar to this morning that we experienced, and some calm winds. Looking at our futurecast here, these are our current conditions. Again, partly cloudy skies, but we have this rain here that is actually going to move eastward and give us our precipitation that we're expected to see through tomorrow, and potentially some snow moving in through tomorrow night. Tomorrow we're at a high of 62 degrees. We have a chance of thunderstorms before noon, but very, very slight. This chance is very small again, so I wouldn't be too worried about thunderstorms. Then we're also going to see this rain in the afternoon from noon to around 4 p.m. with also scattered showers after 4 p.m. Looking at our extended forecast here, this is a system that's going to bring our rain for tomorrow. It's still pretty south out in Virginia, but as this moves eastward, it's going to bring our moisture. We actually might see some snow and mixed precipitation if you live in the White Mountains, so keep that in mind. That precipitation could push over to snow and sleet. Our watches and warnings here, we don't have any in New Hampshire, but I wanted to point out the ones that we have in Vermont. We do have some flood aerial watches until Saturday at 8 p.m., and there is a potential for some minor flooding throughout New Hampshire, so be on the lookout for any of those changes. Our highlights here, again, we have that chance of thunderstorms tomorrow before noon, rain continuing until 4 p.m., and here in Plymouth, New Hampshire, we're expecting a river crest of 12.4 feet at 8 p.m., of the Pemigewasset River. Our minor flood stage for the National Weather Service is 13 feet, so as long as we stay below 13 feet, we'll stay dry, but we are getting close to that 13-foot mark, so it is important to keep an eye on that through tomorrow night. Looking at our extended forecast here, again, tomorrow, we're expecting some rain, high of 62, low of 39, so very similar to what we had today, just a little more moisture. Saturday, it looks like the sun might peek out. We're at a high of 51, low of 34. Sunday and Monday, we're going to cool off a little bit. Sunday, we're at 42, low of 32, so getting to that freezing mark. And then Monday and Tuesday, below freezing for our lows. But it looks like next week, we're actually going to have some sun peeking out. So Tuesday, we're going to be mostly sunny with 56, low of 31. Wednesday, we're going to reach 60, mostly cloudy, with a low of 37. Thank you all for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your evening.